First, soak 2 cups of white beans in water overnight for easier cooking. Chop carrots. Slice 14 ounces to 16 ounces of turkey sausage, put aside. Chop tomatoes. Put aside. Pour the soaked and drained white beans into the pot. Add 1 cup of chicken stocking. One bay leaf can skip it if you don't have it. A half tablespoon of garlic parsley powder. 1 tablespoon of sweet spicy BBQ powder. Add 1 cup of cooked rice. 2 cups of turkey sausage. 3/4 cup of carrot. 3/4 cup of chopped onions and tomatoes. 2/3 cup of garlic spread seasoning powder, or use your choice of favorite seasoning. Add water and stir well. I'm making a lot of beans here because I want leftovers to serve more meals later. Add 1 cup of shredded cheese. Use slow cook low heat for 5 hours, or high pressure cook for 35 minutes. Now, beans is completely cooked. Stir well and scoop some of it out to serve as the fillings for the lettuce wraps. Time to load fillings onto the romaine lettuce leaves. Fillings include cooked beans and sausage with cheese, chopped tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and avocado slices. Load beans and sausage onto the lettuce first. Add the rest of the fillings on top. Lastly, squeeze some lemon juice and drizzle sriracha sauce. Skip sriracha if you don't like it spicy. Ta-ta! Time to enjoy. Yummy! Cheers!